What's going on, guys? It's Tickers and Tokens here, back with another video. And in today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about Shiba Inu. It's been a while since I've heard anyone really even pretend to care about Shiba Inu anymore. Ever since the hype has died down because of this bear market, no one really seems to care about these meme coins anymore. Now, I only hold about 60 Dogecoin, but I got a lot of Shib. I just kind of blocked off by my head right here, but you said about $325 worth if you match that to this price, and it's about 31 million or so, somewhere around there. I love my Shib, guys. I believe in the Shib. I average about $10 a day, or I'm sorry, $10 a paycheck in the Shib every time I get a chance to. You can see I'm bag holding. I'm down 57%. That bag's getting pretty heavy, man. That bag gets heavier and heavier every day. But I'm going to keep a small position in Shib. I believe in Shib. Here's some news here recently about the game that just came out. Shiba Inu fans disappointed over low burns from Shiba Eternity. Now, this game I've been waiting for a while, man. I was really hyped for this game, and it just came out as a dud, dude. I didn't even play the game, but people were just disappointed because it didn't produce as many burns as people expected out of Shiba Inu. But for those of you who don't know, the Shiba Inu burns are a method in which the coins are burnt during transactions. They just disappear into a dead wallet on Ethereum. Ooh, it's cold in here, y'all. Need to pay some gas fees to get this heater in here. But yeah, the burns didn't come in quite as good as expected. But he had where is it at? I just seen it. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama said that burning Shib was low priority. Yep, low priority during Discord discussion with fans. Kusama said his main goals for Shib Eternity and upcoming Shibarium Layer 1 blockchain solutions were adoption rather than reducing the Shib supply. I don't think he really got worried too much about adoption, man. I mean, the people just love this damn coin. I've been holding it ever since it was rallying. I got in back in early October, right before the big rally. I made a lot of money on Shib. I also lost a lot of money on Shib. Not as much as I made, though. I made a lot of money on Shib. I can't argue. But it comes after Kusama revealed that just 5% of Shiba Eternity profits will be used to burn Shib. I mean, I don't know what people were expecting. I mean, 5% of profits that's just pure profit. I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, it's not, it could have been better. I ain't gonna say it couldn't have been better. But at the same time, I mean, that's just him just burning Shib out of his own pocket. I mean, come on, y'all. I'd think that's pretty good. And it's a brand new game. And if you know anything about gaming, because I'm a big gamer myself, updates for these games and stuff roll out all the time. All the time. But as you've seen on the chart here a minute ago, retail just really sold a lot of Shib. It's been steady, just trending down. And if you want to go look at the monthlies, dude, oh man, the more you zoom out, the worse it gets. Oh, you remember these days, guys? You remember when people actually cared about Shib? You remember that? You remember all the way this up here? Yeah, don't you miss when it was up here? It wasn't the market just funner back then. Man, the market just sucks now, man. Everything just keeps going down the more and more you buy it. Unless you're shorting the market, man, you're having fun if you're shorting. But if you're a regular retail investor like the rest of us, man, you're not having a good time right now. Yeah, it's just been steady. Falling knife. I had a few bumps here and there. Tried to come back up. I actually remember this one going from 20 to 30. Everybody getting excited again, ready to jump back in. Nope. It held twos. It held the twos for a long time there. And yeah, just died. I would say if you're waiting for a bottom on Shib, I'd say don't hop in just yet, because we have seen it get as low as, I just seen it. Where'd it go? We've seen it get down into the 5 zeros and 7s. That was back in June. So June bottom is still holding for Shib. If you've seen anything else in the stock market, most of the other June bottoms have already been well past broken. NASDAQ, dude, are down another like 5-10% just from the June bottoms. People still think there's about another 20% down just on the NASDAQ. You can see Shib's holding up pretty well, though. I'm sticking with Shib, man. I like it more than Doge. There's just more going for it. You got You got the game that just came out, Shiba tournament. I know people were just a little disappointed, but even just a 5% burn, dude, is huge. It adds up over time. And if you're really playing the long game with this, like I think most of y'all are, if you're playing the long game, you want those burns. You don't care if it's 1%, 2%, 5%, 0.01%, 0.0000, right? You just want the burns. You want them to come in. You want them to come in hard and come in fast. Sorry, I thought I heard something. You want to make sure the burns are consistent and you want them to be steady. You want to think of it almost as if like Bitcoin's mining. It's steady, it's progressive, and you know what to expect every single time. So yeah, I'd say it's just any burns that are steady and consistent are good burns. Those are the ones you want. But people, you see all the people selling it, but we actually got some whales out here buying it. Two major whales scooped up 256 billion Shiba Inu as price rebounds sharply. Man, that's a lot of SHIB. I'm not even going to sit here and try to calculate. Oh, they do it for me. A whopping $2.71 million worth of SHIB in the past 24 hours. It's the most popular canine-themed cryptocurrency, bounces off a critical support level located at 5098 on the daily chart. So it actually did break the fours. I didn't even catch that. It did break the fours. Canine themed. I'm just picturing like it's like a wallpaper with a dog on it. Yep, that's it. That's SHIB for you. It's wallpaper with a dog on it. On Thursday, Shiba Inu made an attempt to crack the crucial support level 5098. Yep. Thank goodness it failed, as two anonymous, deep-pocketed Shiba Inu investors poured a staggering $2.72 million to purchase 256. Was that billion? Yep. 256, almost 257 billion SHIB in 3 transactions. This is on the Etherscan, so you can go check this out yourself on the Etherscan. That is a lot of SHIB, dude. That's a huge bet on SHIB, but have you noticed this? This always happens though. Every time we get a little bit of a hype cycle, and then sometimes the hype cycle keep going, get a little bit bigger of a hype cycle, but sometimes you get a little bit of disappointment. And I've noticed that when you get the disappointment, the sell-off is pretty big, and then after that, you start to see a lot of these whales, these Ethereum whales, just come in and just scoop this coin up, man. Because they know that it's a sentiment game, especially with meme coins. It's all about the sentiment, man. You want to pick them up when the sentiment's low, like it is right now, and you want to ride them back up as soon as you start to get any kind of momentum behind them. That's the nature of the game with meme coins. So if you're looking for a short-term trade, I'd say let it hold on for a little while to see if it comes back to test that 401 level we were just talking about. See if it comes back to test that 401, and if it breaks through that, just let it fall, man. Just let it fall. It's just gonna keep on going. But if you see it bounce off of it, I'd say we could rally back probably to right around the 13 level. That's been a pretty strong support for SHIB, around that 12 to 13 level. And then if we can hold that, we can go up to this 1700. I'd say that's been a consistently strong support level for SHIB. But yeah, just keep an eye on your charts, guys, and just take note of these price levels. It'll help you a lot with your trading if you really want to do that. Or you can be like me. I'm a Shiba Inu investor. Shiba Inu investors might want to wait for another leg lower before buying. Well, I'm more DCAing into it. I just wanted to bring this article up because I know some of us are actually investors in SHIB. Yeah, we exist. We're not all traders now. Don't just assume we're all traders. BTC has been largely static. True for Shiba Inu as well. Anticipation for Shiba Eternity game. Listing on BitMEX not have too much of a positive impact. Yeah, we know all that. Price charts. Shiba's bearish outlook. That's what I was just saying, yeah. And dramatically broke above the 13 resistance, but it came back down. Yeah, if you see it come above this number right here, this is a really strong support for SHIB. If you see it come above that 40 and 13, I'd say we're getting ready for another leg up towards like the 4017 mark. But we'll have to wait and see. Now, if you want to just do like I'm doing, every 2 weeks, I just dollar cost average $10 in the SHIB. Slowly building out a position. My ultimate goal is to have 100 million. So if it ever does hit that magical penny number, I can say I got $1 million out of Shib. It's $1 million doggy. Man, that's an expensive dog. Man. Here, well, let's see if it happens. But yeah, we can. I think we will do a revisit back down to at least the 401, but we could come all the way down to this. This is the bottom for it around here. If we see that, get ready for some nastiness. It can. I think if we go down into that, we go down to the gulag. If we go down to the gulag, man, where nobody can hear you scream, she will be at 505. It'll be cut in half from where it is now. And that's where, if it gets down there, dude, I'm loading up. I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to load up because that's going to be the bottom for Shib for a long, long time. I don't think it'll ever get back down that low. And if it does, it won't go any lower than that, I don't imagine. Unless it just pumps and dumps and then it's just done, which I don't believe. Like I just brought up all the long-term reasons to like start buying and holding. But all this being said about Shib, guys, always make sure you got like some blue chip companies too, and make sure you guys use like some Apple, some Google, Tesla, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Coke. Make sure you got these good stocks out here. Otherwise, you'll end up losing a lot of money. I really got a very small position in Shib, and I'm not ever going to bet the house on any one asset. You shouldn't either, unless you like doing that sort of thing. I don't know. Maybe your house makes for good liquidity. I don't know. Not for me though, guys. I actually enjoy living where I live. But that's it for this video today, guys. I just really wanted to bring up Shiba Inu because I haven't heard many people talk about it in a major way, and somebody had to do it. It's gonna be me. It was gonna be me today. It's just gonna have to be me. All my dogs, all the Shiba Army people, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Down in the description, I'll have links to my Twitter, my blog. Think about making more content about Shiba Inu, maybe some other retail favorites if you guys want to suggest something down there. But that's it for this video, guys. This has been Tickers and Tokens. Peace.